Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. You can pray for anything, and if you have faith, you will receive it. Sai says, do something good today. Don't shine just to outshine someone else. Shine as a blessing to others. Be the ray behind their dream. In today's video, we will be going through Kaka Mahajani's master's story. Kaka Mahajani was the manager in the firm of Taka Dharmse Jatabai. Both the master and the manager were on intimate terms. Mr. Takar knew that Kaka would often go to Shirdi, stay there for some days and return. Out of curiosity, Mr. Takar decided to go to Shirdi with Kaka during Chimgaon holidays. As Kaka's return was uncertain, he took another man with him for his company. The three started together and Kaka bought 2 seeds of dried grapes with seed on the way for presentation to Baba. They reached Shirdi and went to the masjid for darshan. Baba Sahib Takard was also there and Mr. Takard asked him why he came there. For darshan, Baba Sahib replied. Then Mr. Takar asked if miracle took place there. Baba Sahib replied that to see miracle was not the concern, the earnest intention of the bhaktas were satisfied here. Then Kaka prostrated himself before Baba and offered the raisen to him. Baba ordered them to be distributed. Mr. Takar also got a few of them. He did not want to have the raisins as he was advised by his doctor not to eat them without washing and cleaning them. So he was in a fix. He did not want to eat them nor could he reject them. To keep up formalities, he put them in his mouth but do not know what to do with the seeds. He could not spit them out on the floor of the masjid, so he pocketed them against his wish. He then said in his mind that if Baba was a saint, how could he be ignorant of his dislike for the raisins and how could he force them on him? When this thought arose in his mind, Baba again gave some more raisins. He could not eat them but held them in his hand. Then Baba asked him to eat them up. He obeyed and found to his surprise that they were all seedless. He wanted to see miracle and here was one. He knew that Baba read his thought and as per his wish converted raisins with seeds into seedless grapes. What a wonderful power. Again to test further, he asked Baba Sahib who was sitting by and who also got some raisins. What kind of grapes you got? He replied, the varieties with seeds. Mr. Takar was still more surprised to hear this. Then to confirm his faith, Takar thought in his mind that raisins should be now given to Kaka first. Reading this thought also, Baba ordered that distribution should be commenced from Kaka. These proofs were sufficient for Takar. After forgetting his resolve, Takar saluted Baba and returned to his vada. The remaining story will be continued in the next video. Bow to Shri Sai. Peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, do comment, like and share. Thank you.